Macau. It's a funny name, isn't it? Sounds a bit like a discount supermarket. Get down to Macau for cheap beans and 2-for-1 biscuits, but don't be fooled by the name. Macau is a place of fascinating history. For centuries, it was a Portuguese colony. Imagine that. Tiny Portugal clinging onto a little slice of China. They finally gave it back in 1999. But the Portuguese influence is still everywhere you look. It's a unique blend of East and West. The streets are a curious mix of cobblestones and neon. You'll find ancient temples next to glitzy casinos. It's a place where you can eat a Portuguese custard tart, then wander into a Chinese tea house. Macau is a place of contrasts. It's a place that shouldn't really work, but somehow it does. And that's what makes it so fascinating. Walking through the streets, you can feel the layers of history. Festivals from both cultures are celebrated with equal fervor. The Grand Lisboa Casino stands tall, a symbol of modernity, while traditional dragon dances remind you of the ancient roots. The waterfront offers a serene escape from the bustling city life. And the food. Oh, the food is a delightful journey through time and culture. From Portuguese egg tarts to traditional Chinese dim sum, your taste buds are in for a treat. As night falls, the city transforms. The neon lights flicker on, and the night markets come alive. Street performers and artists add to the vibrant atmosphere, making every corner of Macau a spectacle. Historic landmarks stand proudly amidst modern skyscrapers, a testament to Macau's ability to blend the old with the new. It's a melting pot where different cultures interact harmoniously, creating a unique community. Even the educational institutions reflect this blend, with students from diverse backgrounds learning together. Traditional crafts are still practiced, passed down through generations, preserving the rich heritage. At the same time, modern art galleries showcase contemporary pieces, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Lush gardens and parks offer a peaceful retreat, where you can relax and soak in the beauty of this unique place. In the end, it's the people who make Macau what it is, their daily lives, their stories, their resilience. As the sun sets over Macau, the city is bathed in a golden light, a perfect end to a day in this historic crossroads, a place where history and modernity coexist, where East meets West, and where every street tells a story. Macau is a cultural melting pot. This small region on the southern coast of China is a place where East truly meets West. It's a city that has been shaped by centuries of cultural exchange, creating a unique blend that is both fascinating and enchanting. It's like someone tossed Chinese dumplings and Portuguese fado music into a blender. Imagine the rich, savory flavors of traditional Chinese cuisine mingling with the soulful, melancholic tunes of Portuguese fado. It's a sensory experience that is as delightful as it is unexpected. The result? A unique and vibrant culture you won't find anywhere else. Festivals in Macau are a testament to this blend, where you can witness dragon dances alongside Portuguese folk dances, all in the same celebration. The streets come alive with colors, sounds, and aromas that tell the story of a place where two worlds have beautifully collided. The Portuguese brought their language, their architecture, their food. Walking through the streets of Macau, you can see the influence of Portuguese colonial architecture in the beautifully preserved buildings. These structures, with their distinct European style, stand as a reminder of the city's colonial past. You can still hear Portuguese spoken in the streets. It's a living language here, woven into the daily life of the city. Street signs, shop names, and casual conversations all reflect this linguistic heritage. You can see it in the pastel-colored buildings with their wrought iron balconies. These charming structures add a touch of European elegance to the cityscape, creating a picturesque environment that feels both familiar and exotic. And you can taste it in the delicious egg tarts. These sweet pastries, known as pastéis de nata, are a beloved treat in Macau, a perfect example of how Portuguese culinary traditions have been embraced and adapted by the local culture. But Chinese culture is everywhere too. From the temples to the tea houses to the bustling markets. The essence of Chinese heritage is deeply ingrained in the daily life of Macau. Traditional Chinese temples offer a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle, while tea houses provide a cozy spot to enjoy a cup of tea and a moment of tranquility. It's this fusion of East and West that makes Macau so special. The skyline of Macau is a visual representation of this blend, with modern skyscrapers standing alongside historic buildings, each telling a part of the city's rich history. It's a place where two cultures have collided and somehow managed to coexist. This coexistence is evident in every aspect of life in Macau, from the architecture to the cuisine to the festivals. It's a harmonious blend that has created a truly unique cultural tapestry. It's a place where you can order a plate of noodles with chopsticks, then wash it down with a glass of Portuguese wine. This culinary fusion is just one example of how Macau seamlessly integrates the best of both worlds, offering a dining experience that is both diverse and delightful. Right, let's talk history. Macau's historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's not hard to see why. It's like stepping back in time. Start at the ruins of St. Paul's. This iconic facade is all that's left of a 17th century church. It's a haunting reminder of Macau's past. Next, wander through Senado Square. This bustling plaza is the heart of old Macau. With its wave-patterned mosaic pavement and pastel-colored buildings, it feels like a little slice of Portugal. Pop into the Macau Museum to delve deeper into the city's history. And don't miss the Ama Temple, a beautifully preserved Taoist temple that dates back to the 15th century. Now, if you're an adrenaline junkie like me, then you'll want to head straight for the Macau Tower. This 338-meter tall tower offers stunning views of the city. But that's not all. This is Macau, remember? They don't do things by halves. So you can also bungee jump off the tower. Yes, you heard that right. Bungee jump. It's the highest commercial bungee jump in the world. Or if that's a bit too much excitement for you, you can try the skywalk. This is a walk around the outer rim of the tower. No handrails, of course. Because where's the fun in that? The Macau Tower is not for the faint of heart. But if you're looking for an adrenaline rush, this is the place to be. Section 5. The Cotai Strip, a dazzling neon wonderland. Now let's talk about what Macau is really known for. Gambling. Macau is the Las Vegas of Asia, and the Cotai Strip is its beating heart. This dazzling stretch of casinos, hotels, and entertainment venues is a sight to behold. Imagine Vegas, but bigger, brighter, and with more neon than you can shake a stick at. It's enough to make your eyes water. You'll find all the big names here. The Venetian, the Parisian, the Wynn. Each casino is more extravagant than the last. They're like giant, over-the-top palaces dedicated to the gods of gambling. You can try your luck at the roulette wheel, play a few hands of blackjack, or lose all your money at the baccarat table. It's up to you. Section 6. Venetian Dreams, Gondolas, and Grandeur. Of all the casinos on the Cotai Strip, the Venetian is perhaps the most impressive. This Italian-themed resort is a sight to behold. It's like someone picked up Venice and plonked it down in the middle of China. You can even take a gondola ride through the canals. Yes, you heard that right. Gondolas, complete with singing gondoliers. Inside, you'll find a replica of St. Mark's Square, complete with pigeons. Okay, they might not be real pigeons, but the attention to detail is incredible. The Venetian is a surreal experience. It's like stepping into another world. A world of marble, mosaics, and very expensive coffee. Section 7. City of Dreams, Entertainment Extravaganza. Next door to the Venetian, you'll find City of Dreams. This sprawling resort is another feast for the senses. It's home to a mind-boggling array of entertainment options. There's the House of Dancing Water, a spectacular water show that will leave you speechless. Seriously, it's incredible. Think Cirque du Soleil, but wetter. You'll also find a nightclub that transforms into an underwater world, complete with sharks swimming overhead. And if you're feeling peckish, there are Michelin-starred restaurants galore. City of Dreams is a testament to Macau's reputation as a world-class entertainment destination. It's a place where you can be entertained 24 hours a day. If you ever get bored in City of Dreams, you're doing something wrong. Section 8. Beyond the Casino's Cultural Gems of Macau. Macau, often dubbed the Las Vegas of Asia, is renowned for its glittering casinos and vibrant nightlife. But there's so much more to this fascinating city than just its gambling scene. Now you might be thinking, Macau sounds like it's all about gambling. And you'd be right. The casinos are indeed a major draw, with their bright lights, luxurious interiors, and endless entertainment options. But there's more to Macau than just casinos. Beyond the glitz and glamour lies a city steeped in rich history and diverse culture, waiting to be explored. Dig a little deeper, and you'll find a city rich in culture and history. The blend of Portuguese and Chinese influences is evident in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions. Take a stroll through Taipa village, with its charming colonial-era houses and traditional shops. This quaint area offers a glimpse into Macau's past, with its narrow streets and colorful facades. Visit the Macau Wine and Grand Prix Museum to learn about the city's love of fast cars and fine wine. The museum showcases a fascinating collection of vintage cars and offers wine tasting sessions that highlight Macau's unique blend of cultures. And don't miss the Macau Grand Prix, one of the most exciting races on the Formula One calendar. This thrilling event attracts racing enthusiasts from around the world and adds a burst of adrenaline to the city's cultural calendar. Macau is a city of hidden gems. From its scenic spots to its bustling local markets, there's always something new to discover. Wander through its hidden alleyways and you'll find charming cafes, unique boutiques, and historic landmarks. You just need to know where to look. Guided tours can offer a deeper understanding of Macau's rich heritage, while self-exploration can lead to unexpected and delightful discoveries. So, there you have it. Macau is not just a city of casinos, but a place where history, culture, and modernity coexist harmoniously. Whether you're watching a street performer or enjoying a sunset over the city, Macau has something for everyone. Macau, a city of contrasts, a city of history, a city of entertainment. Its unique blend of East and West offers a rich tapestry of experiences that are both captivating and unforgettable. It's a place that will surprise you, excite you, and leave you wanting more. From its vibrant nightlife to its serene cultural spots, Macau is a destination that promises endless adventures and memories. Forget the glitz and gamble. Macau is known for its dazzling casinos and vibrant nightlife, but there's so much more to discover. Across the shimmering water lies a different Macau. This is Coloane. This is Taipa. These islands offer a serene escape from the bustling city life. Islands where time slows down. Here you can truly unwind and soak in the natural beauty and cultural richness, where the air is sweet with salt and incense. Coloane is for hikers. The island is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Trails wind through lush hills, offering breathtaking views. Every turn reveals a new vista, more stunning than the last. Hidden beaches beckon with the promise of solitude. These secluded spots are perfect for a quiet retreat. Tiny villages whisper tales of fishermen and pirates. The history here is rich and palpable, with every corner telling a story. Taipa is a tapestry of cultures. The island is a melting pot where East meets West, creating a unique cultural blend. Portuguese and Chinese influences blend seamlessly. Wander through cobblestone streets and marvel at the architectural harmony. Discover pastel-colored houses and quaint shops. Each building and shop has its own charm and character. Savor the aroma of freshly baked Portuguese egg tarts. These delicious treats are a must-try for any visitor. These islands are a world away from the casinos. They offer a peaceful retreat where you can relax and rejuvenate. Yet they are easily accessible by bus or ferry. Getting here is simple, making it an ideal day trip or weekend getaway. Take a break from the neon lights. Escape the hustle and bustle and find peace in the serene landscapes. Lose yourself in the tranquility of Coloane and Taipa. Let the natural beauty and calm atmosphere wash over you, providing a perfect escape from everyday life. Haxa Beach is a study in contrasts, a place where the natural world displays its unique beauty. The black sand shimmers under the sun, creating a mesmerizing effect that captivates visitors. Waves crash against the shore with a rhythmic intensity, a constant reminder of the ocean's presence. This powerful display of nature's raw energy is both humbling and awe-inspiring. The beach gets its name from the distinctive black sand that covers its shores. Haxa translates to black sand in Cantonese, a fitting name for this unique location. The sand is a result of ancient volcanic activity, giving it its striking color and texture. It's a unique sight in this part of the world, drawing tourists and geologists alike. High above the bustling city stands Guia Fortress, a sentinel from a bygone era. Built in the 17th century, this fortress once defended Macau from invaders, standing as a testament to the region's turbulent history. Now it offers panoramic views of the city and the Pearl River Delta, a breathtaking sight for those who make the climb. As you walk along the fortress walls, you can feel the weight of history pressing down on you. Imagine the battles fought and won here, the strategies devised, and the lives that were forever changed. Haksar Beach and Guia Fortress, two places where nature meets history, offering a glimpse into the past and a connection to the natural world. Macau is a city of surprises, blending the old with the new, the east with the west. Where else can you find giant pandas and a replica Eiffel Tower, all in one place? The Macau Giant Panda Pavilion is home to these gentle giants, offering a unique opportunity to observe them up close. Watch them play and munch on bamboo, their favorite treat. It's a delightful sight that captivates visitors of all ages. Learn about their habitat and the extensive conservation efforts in place to protect these endangered creatures. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave, creating memories that last a lifetime. For a taste of Europe, head to the Parisian Macau, a luxurious hotel that transports you to the heart of Paris. This opulent hotel is a stunning replica of the City of Lights, complete with iconic landmarks. Stroll along the cobblestone streets and admire the intricate European architecture, a perfect blend of elegance and charm. Don't miss the replica Eiffel Tower, a highlight of the Parisian Macau. Take the elevator to the top for breathtaking views of the city, offering a panoramic perspective of Macau's unique skyline, pandas, and Parisian charm. Only in Macau can you experience such a delightful blend of cultures and attractions. Section 4. Shopping Paradise, from luxury to local. Macau is a shopper's paradise. From luxury boutiques to bustling street markets, there's something for everyone. The Cotai Strip is a shopper's dream. High-end brands line the streets. Find the latest fashion, jewelry, and electronics. For a more local experience, explore the Red Market. Here you'll find fresh produce, seafood, and household goods. Haggle for souvenirs and sample local delicacies. Don't forget to try the almond cookies. They're a Macau specialty. Whether you're looking for luxury or local finds, Macau has it all. Section 5. Navigating Macau Essential Travel Tips. Getting around Macau is easy. The currency is the Macanese pataka, also known as MOP. Hong Kong dollars are also widely accepted. English is not widely spoken, so it's helpful to learn a few basic Cantonese phrases. Public transportation is efficient and affordable. Buses and taxis are readily available. For a unique experience, try riding a rickshaw. The best time to visit Macau is during the fall or spring when the weather is pleasant. It's best to avoid visiting during Chinese New Year, as the city is crowded. Section 6. Macau, your next adventure awaits. Macau is a city of contrasts, a fusion of East and West, ancient and modern. It's a place where you can gamble the night away or find peace and tranquility in nature. Explore the historic streets, indulge in culinary delights, experience the thrill of the casinos. Macau is waiting to be discovered. What are you waiting for?